Hi guys, today we worked with Jamboard. Here's a few samples. Slides 1 through 11, my teacher did, and we got to play with them, which was a lot of fun. I can see using this in the classroom in many ways. I thought this was a fun way, but I did have to add the plus and the minus to make it a full equation. You can do it other ways too, I guess, but that's how I did it. And this is where we started making our own. So I just said use one sticky note to share 3 facts about you. All they have to do, students have to click on the sticky notes and type. So I wrote 3 facts about me. I click save, cancel, and then I have my sticky note and I can add it to the page. Pretty simple for students to figure it out. So choose your favorite color of sticky note, write your name on it, and add it to the color word to make your graph. So we're going to pick orange, and I'm going to put my son James on it. Click save, cancel. And then I'm simply going to take James's name and stick it on the orange. So when we're all done, we will have a graph of favorite colors. This one was use a sticky note to label the parts of the plant. I already have the notes made. Students just have to add them to the picture. So I liked that one. I thought it was simple and fun. This one was to place the coins on the box to make the amount between 77 and 94. We have quarters, dimes, nickels, and pennies, so students can use any arrangement of this and still be right. 60, 70, 80. We're going to do 81. Next one is to move the sticky notes with the numbers under odd or even. So they simply have to make it odd or even. This one is really easy for students to do. I like it because they don't have to create anything. It's simply just moving what we already have on the board. Next, this is a way for checking in with students. So place your emoji next to your name telling me how you're feeling today. So we have sad, happy, mad, sleepy, and worry. We're just going to take sad and pretend Hamoon is sad today. And this is a great way to check in with your students and not having them stand in front of the class and say how they're doing. Next is put a sticky note on, place it on your book that you want to read. So if I am Alex, I'm going to write my name on a sticky note. And then I'm going to take that sticky note and place it on Go Dog Go. And that's a good way for students to vote on what they want to do. Next, for my final one, I have placed the shapes in the box that matches it. It's pretty easy to just do this. I like this a lot because I think I can see younger students using that, which is what I'm hoping to work with when I graduate. I can see my younger students being able to manipulate the tools needed to make this. So those are my Jamboards. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great night.